Hello again, and welcome to Tips and Tricks for May 2023. This month, how to set up Cloud OCR Service for UnForm Image Manager.
We are going to be setting up the Cloud OCR service. First thing you want to do is go to unform.com, and under the download section, you can scroll down to the UnForm OCR service hyperlink, and that's going to give you all the documentation about how to get started. You're going to email the sales team and request a license. Once you get back a key emailed to you, you're then going to put that into UnForm. So where do we do that? Let's go to Server Manager, Configuration, External Tools. Scroll down to the bottom of that page, and you will see an area to put in the activation key and the confidence threshold, which will highlight areas on the page where it did not meet the confidence threshold that you have entered. 85 is a typical starting value to use. Once you save that, you are going to need to restart the server. You could do that using the button at the top. And once UnForm is back up and running, you're going to want to go to your inbound sources. So archive, admin, inbound sources. The new settings that will show up will be for each inbound source. So for instance, I have this text service source selected. I have two new options: use OCR service and upload color images when possible. So when activating it for this inbound source, only documents that go into this inbound source that do not have a text layer will then get sent to the Cloud OCR service. Documents that enter this source that have a text layer do not need to go to the Cloud OCR service. Also, if you're dealing with color images such as colored backgrounds, may be helpful to maintain color images. There is a possible performance hit that you could have when sending color images. Otherwise, if it's black and white, leave that unchecked. So now that we have the OCR service enabled for this source, we are going to upload some documents. So I'm going to go to this source, and I'm going to select two files. Same document, but one has a text layer, one does not. So we are going to send those on. Let's go ahead and take a look at the logs to see what's happening. So it looks like it has accepted the PDF files. This item right here of the two has been sent to the text service. And in just a moment, document number 2 that did have a text layer was parsed as normal. Document number 1 that did not have a text layer got sent to the text service, and it was a 2-page document, and we received back the 2 pages from the Cloud OCR service. So when we take a look at documents that come in from the Cloud OCR service, here's a good example of a bad looking document that was read almost impeccably by the Cloud OCR service. You'll notice the items highlighted in yellow. Those are the ones that did not meet the confidence threshold that we had set. As we highlight values on this page, we can see what came back. Everything looks good. We even got some handwriting over here. And even the items that did not meet the confidence threshold still look like they read well. So that's how you get started with the Cloud OCR service. Thank you.
Thank you, Brian. If you have any questions or suggestions for UnForm tips and tricks, please email them to dan.s@synergetic-data.com. For UnForm tips and tricks, thank you very much. See you next month.